In this tutorial, I will explain you how you can validate the user against the database. So in the last tutorial, we actually validated the user against a specified username and password, which is root user and root. So let's create a database table, create a database, user login db. Now we create a table here, create table, username varchar 20 and the password varchar 20. So we have a user table here. Write some data. Username Deepak, password is Deepak. Okay. Now we'll download the MySQL driver. Visit the website dev.mysql.com/download/connector j5.0.html and click on the download link. So I have MySQL connector.jar in my computer, so I'll copy it and paste in the web application and in the lib directory. So it is available in the project. Now we'll start writing the code here. First import java.sql.asterisk. So we'll comment the code here, this code, and write the JDBC code here. This is the connection variable. Then we have a URL of database name, user login db. I'll change it here. Username is root and password is root. So we'll change this variable db password and then db username. So we'll instantiate the driver class and then finally call driver manager.get connection, database username and database password. Here we'll write a query is equal to let's start from my user table where user name is equal to username is equal to this un and password is equal to pw. So we and then execute the then create the statement and finally execute the query. And if rs dot next means if it found matches the data, the database, you can print the message like message equal to this, your login is successful, else you can print the message login failed. So this way you can validate the user. And finally we should close the record set here and close the statement, st close statement dot close. Now we'll try to run the example and see the result. This is not required here, so we'll commit out here. We'll right click and then run as on the server. So we are running on Tomcat 6. Click on next and then the finish button. So application is running. I'm entering some wrong data. So this your login field. Now we'll write the correct username and password, which is Deepak, and Deepak is my name, and click here. So hello Deepak, your login is successful. So we have developed the application in Java which is validating the user against the database. So I'll explain you the code once again. Here here this is the connection variable, the URL of the database name, the driver name, database username, database password. In the try block we are instantiating the driver class here, then getting the connection to the database, creating a query select extract from user table where username is equal to UN and the password is PW, which is nothing but the username and password which is retrieved from the input parameters, from the request parameters. Finally creating the statement and executing the query. So query returns the result set, and if some record is matched, then we'll see then we'll display the message hello world, hello, your login is successful. And if no record is matched, we'll return the error message to the user.